Welcome to the Rewired C-Suite. Trusted guidance for leaders navigating AI, architecture, and enterprise transformation. Everyone is talking about AI agents. AI agents that write emails. AI agents that analyze data. AI agents that prepare reports. AI agents that support customers. AI agents that execute workflows. The promise sounds powerful. More automation, more productivity, more speed, more intelligence. But from a C-suite perspective, there is a much deeper question. The winning companies will not be the companies with the most AI agents. They will be the companies with the best agent operating model. Because AI agents are not just another tool. They are becoming a new operating layer inside the enterprise. And when autonomous AI enters the organization, leadership must answer a different set of questions. Who owns the agent? What is the agent allowed to do? Which data can it access? Which systems can it trigger? Which decisions can it support? Where must a human approve? And who remains accountable when something goes wrong? This is why Agentic AI is not only a technology topic, it is an enterprise design topic. It is a governance topic. It is an operating model topic. And it is becoming one of the most important leadership questions for CEOs, CIOs, CTOs, CDOs, and transformation leaders. At the Rewired C-Suite, our view is clear. AI agents will not fail because the technology is not powerful enough. They will fail because many organizations are not designed for autonomy. Fragmented processes, unclear ownership, weak data foundations, slow governance, complex access rights, disconnected systems, and unclear accountability. Put AI agents into that environment, and they do not create transformation. They create speed without control, automation without accountability, productivity without transparency. So the real question is not, how many agents can we deploy? The real question is the enterprise designed for agents to work safely, responsibly, and at scale? That is what we call the agent operating model. An agent operating model defines how AI agents are designed, governed, integrated, monitored, improved, and scaled across the enterprise. It connects AI agents to business capabilities, value streams, systems, data, risk controls, and human accountability. Without an agent operating model, AI agents remain disconnected experiments. With an agent operating model, they become part of the enterprise operating system. Let us make this practical. Imagine a finance reporting agent. At first, the use case sounds simple. The agent prepares monthly reports. But immediately, executive questions appear. Which numbers are official? Which data source is trusted? Who can access sensitive financial data? Can the agent only prepare a report, or can it also send it? Can it explain deviations? Can it recommend corrective actions? Can it trigger follow-up tasks? Suddenly, this is no longer just an AI use case. It is a finance operating model question. The agent needs a business owner in finance. It needs a technology owner in IT. It needs access controls. It needs audit trails. It needs approval points. It needs clear boundaries. The agent may prepare the report. It may identify deviations. It may propose explanations. But the final report still requires accountable human approval. That is agent operating model thinking. Now imagine a customer service agent. It can answer questions. It can check order status. It can explain return policies. But should it approve refunds? Should it change customer master data? Should it offer discounts? Should it escalate legal complaints? Should it decide which customers receive priority treatment? Without clear autonomy levels, every team may define these rules differently. One department may allow too much freedom. Another may block everything. A third may create shadow automation outside official governance. The result is inconsistency, risk, and poor customer experience. A mature agent operating model defines clear autonomy levels. Level 1, the agent provides information. Level 2, the agent recommends action. Level 3, the agent prepares execution, but a human approves. Level 4, the agent executes within predefined limits. Level 5, the agent operates autonomously in a controlled domain. This is the difference between uncontrolled automation and controlled autonomy. The companies that win will design these levels deliberately. They will not simply ask, "Can the agent do this?" They will ask, "Should the agent do this? And under which conditions?" That is the leadership discipline required for agentic AI. The same applies to HR. A recruiting agent can screen CVs. It can summarize candidates. It can schedule interviews. It can prepare interview questions. But can it reject candidates? Can it rank people based on historical data? Could historical bias influence recommendations? Who audits fairness? Who owns the final hiring decision? Again, this is not only a technology issue. It is a governance and accountability issue. The agent can support human judgment, but it must not quietly replace human responsibility. That is why every enterprise needs an agent operating model canvas. For every agent, leaders should answer 10 questions. What business capability does this agent support? Which value stream does it improve? Who is the business owner? Who is the technology owner? What data does the agent need? Which systems can it access? What autonomy level is allowed? Which decisions require human approval? How is the agent monitored and audited? When must the agent stop, escalate, or hand over? These questions turn AI excitement into enterprise discipline. They make the agent visible. They make ownership explicit. They make risk manageable. And they move agentic AI from experimentation to transformation. For the last decade, companies competed on digital platforms. In the next decade, they will compete on intelligent operating models. The companies that win will not simply have more AI. They will have better architecture, better data, better governance, better integration, better decision rights, better human-AI collaboration, better control mechanisms, and a better ability to scale from pilot to enterprise impact. Because AI agents amplify the organization they enter. If the organization is clear, agents create speed. If the organization is fragmented, agents create noise. If governance is strong, agents create controlled autonomy. If governance is weak, agents create hidden risk. If the enterprise understands its value streams, agents create business impact. If the enterprise does not understand itself, agents become another layer of complexity. This is why the agent operating model matters. It is the difference between AI experimentation and AI transformation. The next wave of enterprise AI will not be won by deploying hundreds of disconnected agents. It will be won by designing the operating model in which agents can work safely, responsibly, and effectively. The winning companies will not have the most agents. They will have the best agent operating model. They will know where agents belong. They will know what agents are allowed to do. They will know how agents are governed. They will know how humans and AI work together. And they will know how to scale autonomy without losing accountability. That is the leadership challenge of agentic AI. Not adoption, not hype, not another pilot, but enterprise design. Because in the age of AI agents, the question is no longer, can AI do the work? The question is your organization designed for AI to work? This is where the next competitive advantage begins. This was the Rewired C-Suite. trusted guidance for leaders navigating AI, architecture, and enterprise transformation. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe to the Rewired C-Suite, and share it with your leadership team. Because the future of AI will not be won by more tools, it will be won by better enterprise design. Thank you for watching.